Hello friends, welcome to GVK Academy channel. As we completed two videos on national and international current affairs, this is a third video on national and international current affairs question series. Let's start the video. World Bamboo Day is observed every year on which September to raise awareness of the benefits of bamboo and to promote its use in everyday products. Option D, 18th. Which edition of Indo-Nepal Joint Military Training Exercise Surya Kiran was held from September 2021 at Pithoragarh in Uttarakhand? Option C, 15th edition. Which ministry has launched a pan-India special campaign called Ek Bal Drive? Option D, Ministry of Law and Justice. Recently, two Indians, Vinisha and Vidyut, among 15 finalists, were selected for the first ever Earthshot Prize 2021, which will be held in London. Which minister has expressed his interest constructing an electric highway from Delhi to Jaipur? Option B, Nitin Gadkari. Drug district is related to which state? Option B, Chhattisgarh. Which state has declared copper mashir, locally named as Catli, as a state fish? Option B, Sikkim. Who is the winner of the 73rd Prime Time Emmy 2021 award for outstanding drama series? Option A, The Crown. Matrabhumi Yojana is related to which state? Option B, UP. The Rajasthan Assembly passed a bill on September 17, 2021, amending the Dash Act that provides for mandatory registration for marriages, including child marriages. Option D, 2009. International Day of Peace is observed on which day? Option B, 20th September. Indian Navy and Indonesian Navy are taking part in a two-day bilateral maritime exercise, Samudra Shakti, scheduling from Dash in Jakarta. Option A, September 20 to 22. Who is the Minister of the Ministry of Civil Aviation? Option C, Jyotiraditya Scindia. Helena missile is related to which country? Option D, India. Brigadier S.V. Saraswati, who awarded with National Florence Nightingale Award 2020, belongs to which state? Option B, Andhra Pradesh. World Rhino Day is observed globally on which date? Option B, 22nd September. NASA announced that it would land a water ice hunting rover on a region of South Pole of the Moon known as the Nobile Crater in which year? Option B, 2023. Which state government has cleared a proposal to develop an electronic park? Option B, UP. According to the study of the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, India is all set to become industrial trans fat free by which year? Option A, 2022. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was announced a national-wide rollout of the Pradhan Mantri Digital Health Mission on which date? Option C 27th September. Which organization has released a revised global air quality guidelines? Option A WHO. Who is working on technologies in order to develop a reusable GSLV Mk3 launch vehicle? Option B ISRO. Swachhata Pakhwada 2021 was launched at which port? Option D Cochin Port Trust. National Vice President of Bharatiya Janata Party D.K. Aruna on September 16, 2021 demanded that September 17 be officially celebrated as Dash Liberation Day. Option A Telangana. AU-KUS Pact is related to which country? Option D. All are correct. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, like and share. And join the Telegram group. Link is given in the description. Thank you.